Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to kick off a brand new HTML tutorial video series. Over the course of this series, I will be guiding you through everything you need to know about HTML. As part of my mission on this channel, I create web development tutorials. And since HTML is the foundational language for anyone aspiring to become a web developer, I am happy to start this tutorial. So, what is HTML and what is it used for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the essential building block for creating and structuring web pages. When you open a web page in your browser, every visual element you see is crafted and displayed using HTML. While HTML itself is a static language and not meant for programming, it is crucial for building the structure and visuals of web pages. So, what is my goal for starting this series? My goal is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of HTML, starting from the basics and progressing to more advanced concepts. By following along, you will not only gain a solid grasp of HTML, but also you will learn how to create well-structured web pages using HTML code. So, I hope you will find this series both educational and enjoyable. Who can learn HTML? The great thing about HTML is that anyone with a computer can learn it, so you don't need any prior tech knowledge to dive in. This video series is designed specifically for absolute beginners, so if you are new to web development, you are in the right place. What you will need to follow this tutorial: first and foremost, you will need a computer. Since this tutorial is highly practical, it is important to have a computer so you can write and test your HTML code. Secondly, you will need a code editor, which is the software we use to write our HTML code. Throughout the series, I will be using Visual Studio Code. So because of this, in my next video, I will guide you through setting up VS Code for HTML. Lastly, you will need a web browser to test your HTML code. Feel free to use any browser you prefer, whether it is Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser. What to expect from this series? Here is a glimpse of the HTML topics we will cover in this series: HTML basic structure, tags, elements, page head, attributes, headings, paragraphs, links, styles, navigation bar, layout, forms, lists, colors, tables, images, videos, iframes, classes, and ID. These are the foundational HTML topics we will cover in the first part of this series. After that, we will dive into more advanced topics like APIs and graphics. So, I hope you stick around for the entire series. In the next video, I will walk you through setting up Visual Studio Code on your computer so you can start writing HTML code right away. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Until then, my name is Femi. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.